Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a photo from Facebook. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to Facebook. Then in the bottom right corner, click on the menu. In the upper left corner, click on your profile. Here we have Post, Photo, Reels. I click Photo. Scroll down to the bottom and find the photo we want to delete. Click on it. In the upper right corner, we have three dots. Click here. Here we have Copy Photo, Share, Save, Send to Messenger. There is a tab Delete Photo. Click Delete Photo. Select Delete here and click here. Now the photo is deleted. It's deleted. Now refresh the page. Now the photo is gone. Click Post. As you can see, I'm a page down, and here I have a photo still here as well. If I want to remove it from the post, I also click on these three dots. And at the bottom, when we have deleted, you can open it. After that, our photo is also hidden. If you like this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.